Hey, 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 the old Caddyman back with a new drink special. Yes, coming to you from my kitchen. The old Caddyman's going to make you a sweet red pepper shooter. Yes, and you know what? I get to use Angie's favorite tool, the muddler. Yep, I'm going to muddle. Usually I muddle at work, but I'm muddling here now. Okay, you're going to throw in a couple of red peppers in your mixer, and you're going to muddle them. And you can actually throw in just a little bit of sugar, which I have, to help marinate the red pepper. Okay, muddle it. Then you're going to add a half ounce of lime juice, which is not a whole lot. About that much right there. Then I'm going to add an ounce of ginger ale. Then I'm going to add, of course, tequila. And I'm using gold this week. You know why? They were out of the silver at the liquor store. God. Inventory. 2 ounces. Okay. The last thing I'm going to add is a little grenadine, and ours has pomegranate in it, which actually we think tastes much better. And I'm going to use our favorite phrase next to love, 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 which is, I love money. You notice how we get the love in there? We like to spread the love around this house. I love money. Okay. Now I'm going to do my second, third, maybe my fourth favorite thing. The old shake 'em up. See, I lose count when I start having these shots. Okay. Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up. Hey, how do you like the cute little shot glass? Okay, here we go. This is a beautiful drink, folks. Look at that. That's not just wonderful. You notice how a good bartender gets them right to the top. And he has just a little left in there for himself. Okay. Try this shot. You're going to like it. It's something new. It's something different. And it's easy. Come see me now, you hear? Bye now.